Unlock the 80% secret. Here's the thing, the USA is a country of immense technological advancements, from Silicon Valley to New York City. But have you ever wondered what drives this innovation? By the end of this video, you'll understand the key factors that contribute to the USA's tech dominance. The problem is, many people don't realize the significance of the USA's tech industry, with some even questioning its relevance in the global market. However, the numbers tell a different story, with the USA being home to some of the world's most valuable tech companies, including Apple, Google, and Amazon. The answer lies in the country's unique combination of factors, including a strong education system, a culture of innovation, and a favorable business environment. But that's not all. The USA also boasts a diverse range of industries, from artificial intelligence to biotechnology, making it an ideal place for startups and established companies alike to thrive. The key to the USA's tech success is its ability to attract and retain top talent from around the world, with many of the world's best universities and research institutions located in the country. This, combined with a strong culture of innovation and entrepreneurship, has created a perfect storm of tech advancement. The numbers don't lie, with the USA being home to over 340 million people and a GDP of over $22 trillion. It's no wonder that the country is a hub for tech innovation. In fact, according to recent statistics, the USA is responsible for over 30% of the world's total tech output. So remember, the USA's tech industry is driven by a combination of factors, including a strong education system, a culture of innovation, and a favorable business environment. With top talent from around the world and a strong culture of entrepreneurship, the USA is the perfect place for tech companies and innovators to thrive. If you're finding this valuable, hit subscribe for more content on the USA's tech industry. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos next.